To nod off. Andrew is at work. He didn't sleep much last night. There is still so much work to do. His boss Fred is worried. Andrew, you don't look so good. Are you feeling all right? I'm feeling a bit drowsy. I stayed up late last night finishing a project. Maybe you should take a quick nap. It would be a nice boost of energy. I can't. I have a meeting in 10 minutes. I'd love to, though. How about some fresh air? That might help you stay awake. That's a good idea. I don't want to nod off during the meeting. Quiz time. What does nod off mean? Bother someone? Get fresh air? Fall asleep? Work hard. Please pause the video and answer the question. That's right, it's C. Fall asleep. To pig out. This is Pablo. He's a really fit guy, and he often eats a healthy diet. It's necessary for him to follow this diet to get big and strong. All of that food helps me build muscle. I love the way I feel. But man, I really miss eating what I want. I'd love to have some of my favorite food, Chinese food. I think tomorrow will be my cheat day. Pablo ordered a lot of food for his cheat day. He's pigging out. Quiz time. Pablo is really pigging out. What is he doing? He's resting. He's eating a lot of pork meat. He's eating a lot of what he wants. He's working out. Please pause the video and answer the question. That's right, it's C. He's eating a lot of what he wants. As a professional, I'm a strong advocate for one-to-one lessons. Preply is a teacher marketplace with people ready to help. Find your ideal teacher for almost any language, set your price, choose if they're a native speaker and the country they're from, pick your preferred times, and schedule your lesson. It's that easy and from the comfort of your home. In total, there are over 32,000 tutors and teachers, and 17,000 just for English. This is education of the future. And right now, with the link in my description, get a 50% discount on your first lesson. Sign up for Preply today. To cut out. James and Tina are at the gym. Tina is having a difficult time with her exercises. Hey, Tina, how's it going with your exercises? Just so-so. I'm doing some cardio and weightlifting. How about you, James? I'm doing great. Why so-so, Tina? You look like you're doing a great job. Well, last night I went out late and ate a lot of unhealthy food. It's really ruining my diet and exercise routine. Oh, you know that's not good for you. You ought to cut that out. You'll feel a lot better if you do. I know, James. Thanks. Could you help me plan a good diet? One that I can stick to. Quiz time. What does cut out mean? Use a knife outside. Exercise more. Eat more food. Remove something from your diet. Please pause the video and answer the question. That's right, it's D. Remove something from your diet. To scoot over. Maria is enjoying her day at the park by herself. Tony walks by her and notices her. He stops to talk to her. Hello there, miss. You look beautiful today. Oh, thank you. It's nice of you to say that. My name is Tony. Nice to meet you. I'm just walking through the park. Would you mind if I joined you? Well, actually, I'm on my way to a doctor's appointment. I don't think it's such a good idea. Give me a chance. Scoot over and let's talk. Just 5 minutes? Well, okay. I could wait 5 minutes. I'm Maria. Quiz time. What does scoot over mean? Drive a scooter? Stay with me. Move over. Would you like to go out with me? Please pause the video and answer the question. That's right, it's C. Move over. To opt out. Sarah and Peter are at a school event. They're discussing the various activities they can join. There are so many activities to choose from. I know. I don't know if I can decide which one I like the most. Which one were you planning to join? I think I'll join the painting workshop. What about you? I'm not sure yet, but I'm considering the dance class. I heard it's a lot of fun. You can always try it out, and if you don't like it, you can opt out later. Quiz time. What does opt out mean? Choose to not participate? Choose the best option. Join something. Do something else. Please pause the video and answer the question. That's right, it's A. Choose to not participate. To chicken out. Lisa and Steve are waiting in line for a roller coaster. Steve seems nervous about the ride. You look a bit nervous, Steve. Are you okay? Yeah, I'm just not a huge fan of roller coasters. They kind of scare me. Don't worry, this one is really fun. Just trust me. Well, I'll try, but I don't really know. Roller coasters are fast and seem dangerous. I could fly off. Don't chicken out. We're in this together. You'll have a great time. I promise. Maybe you're right. By the way, where's the exit? Quiz time. What does chicken out mean? To eat chicken? To act like a bird? To go on roller coasters? To leave a situation because of fear? Please pause the video and answer the question. That's right, it's D. To leave a situation because of fear. To rope in. Lily is planning a charity event at her office. Jack walks by and asks about it. Hey, Lily, what's all this about? Looks interesting. Oh, hi, Jack. I'm organizing a charity event for our local children's hospital. I could use some help, though. Sounds like a great cause. How can I assist you? Well, I'm trying to rope in more volunteers to help with the event. Do you think you could join us? Absolutely. Count me in. I'll also ask some of our colleagues if they want to participate. You're the best. Quiz time. What does rope in mean? Tie a rope. Persuade someone to be involved. Donate. Work hard. Please pause the video and answer the question. That's right, it's B. Persuade someone to be involved. To egg someone on. Jake and Amy often take their lunch break together. Today, they're discussing their weekend plans. So, Jake, I heard there's a karaoke night at the local bar this weekend. Are you going? I don't know, Amy. I'm not really a great singer, and I get pretty nervous in front of a crowd. Come on, it'll be fun. Everyone will be there and we'll all be singing too. Plus, I've heard you sing before, and you're not bad at all. Well, maybe, but I'm still not sure. You know what? I'm going to egg you on until you agree to come. We're going to have a blast. All right, all right. I'll give it a try. Just don't expect a Grammy-worthy performance. Quiz time. What does egg on mean? To cook eggs better? To make breakfast? To urge someone to do something? To sing karaoke? Please pause the video and answer the question. That's right, it's C. To urge someone to do something. To give up. Sophia and Mark are at the gym. They just finished working out. I can't believe we made it through the workout. I'm exhausted. Yeah, me too. But it's totally worth it, don't you think? Definitely. I've been feeling so much better since I started exercising regularly. Working out has all kinds of benefits, especially for respiratory health. You're right. I've been thinking about giving up smoking too. I'd be able to work harder and feel better about myself. That's the right attitude. You can do it. Quiz time. What does give up mean? To quit a habit? To stop trying? To surrender? To offer a present? Please pause the video and answer the question. That's right, it's A. To quit a habit. To slack off. Anna and Jake are at the library. They're studying for an important test. What do you want, Jake? I'm trying to concentrate. How are you feeling, Anna? We've been here for a while. You okay? I've been reading this chapter for an hour, but I can't seem to learn anything. I hate this feeling. I know how you feel. It's been difficult to stay focused lately. We need to find a way to stay motivated and not slack off too much. You're right. Let's take a short break and then get back to work with a fresh mindset. Quiz time! What does slack off mean? To fall behind? To stop studying? To study hard? To work less hard? Please pause the video and answer the question. That's right, it's D. To work less hard. To dress up. Carla and Tom are at their apartment. They're getting ready for a costume party. I'm so excited about this party tonight. I can't wait to see everyone's costumes. Me too. What are you planning to wear? I've decided to go as a pirate. I found this amazing costume at the store. How about you? I'm going to be a superhero. I've always wanted to wear a cape. That sounds fun. I think it's great when everyone really commits to the theme and dresses up for events like these. Absolutely. Let's make tonight a night to remember. Quiz time. What does dress up mean? To decorate a room? To go to a party? To wear a costume? To put makeup on someone? Please pause the video and answer the question. That's right, it's C. To wear a costume. Hey everyone, it's John. I hope you're learning a lot of new phrasal verbs. If you want more practice with phrasal verbs about specific themes, I offer a private classroom where I post PDFs, quizzes, and detailed explanations. Every week, channel members vote on the next theme. Then they take a quiz on Sunday. All you have to do is join my channel membership. Thanks for the support and see you in class. To come up with. Olivia and Mike are at a cafe. They're brainstorming ideas for their friend's surprise party. We really need to make this party special for Sarah. She's been so supportive of us lately. I agree. Let's think of some creative ideas to make it memorable. How about a theme? Maybe something related to her favorite movie or book. That's a great idea. We can come up with a list of possible themes and then choose the best one. Perfect. Let's get started on that right away. I'm on it, Olivia. I'll start making the list right now. Quiz time. What does come up with mean? To create an idea? To approach someone? To go up or move up? To increase in quantity? Please pause the video and answer the question. That's right, it's A. To create an idea. To cave in. Tom and Jenna are husband and wife. They're discussing their weekend plans. Jenna, what do you want to do this weekend? I really want to go hiking this weekend. The weather is going to be great, and we haven't been outdoors in a while. That does sound nice, but I was thinking we could have a movie marathon at home. We could finally catch up on all those films we've been meaning to watch. I see your point, but I think the fresh air and exercise would be good for both of us. You're not in the mood to watch those movies? We can watch all of the Star Wars films. You know that fresh air is better for you. Well, all right. I cave in. Let's go hiking this weekend. It'll be so much fun. I can't wait. Quiz time. What does to cave in mean? To live in a cave in the mountains? To give up on an idea? To dig a hole? To explore a cave? Please pause the video and answer the question. That's right, it's B. To give up on an idea. To chip in. Lily and Tom are organizing a neighborhood cleanup event. They're discussing the necessary supplies. I'm so excited for this event. Our neighborhood is going to look amazing when this is finished. I'm so glad we organized it together. So, we've got a list of the supplies we need for the cleanup event. Trash bags, gloves, and brooms, among other things. Right. It's going to be a great way to keep our neighborhood clean. But we should figure out how we're going to get all these supplies. Good point. Since it's a community event, I think we should ask everyone in the neighborhood to chip in for supplies. That's a great idea. I'll make a post on our neighborhood forum and let everyone know what we need. Quiz time! What does chip in mean? To break something? To contribute? To give an opinion? To interrupt? Please pause the video and answer the question. That's right, it's B. To contribute. To come across. Lucy and Tom are at a bookshop. They just finished browsing through the aisles. Tom, did you find the books you were looking for? Not yet. I'm just browsing. There are so many cool things here. I can't believe how many interesting books there are. I could spend hours looking at them. Yeah, me too. It's fascinating to see what you can find in a place like this. Definitely. I found a book on rare butterflies that I've never seen before. It's amazing what you can learn from books. Absolutely. I came across a fascinating biography of a historical figure I hadn't heard of before. You never know what you might find. Quiz time. What does to come across mean? To find by chance? To travel to another place? To encounter a problem? To meet someone? Please pause the video and answer the question. That's right, it's A. To find by chance. To look down on. Jessica is an art student. She's talking to Erica about potentially changing her studies. I really want to pursue my dream of becoming an artist, but I'm afraid that I won't get a job. Of course you will. You're so talented. Thanks, but it's hard to ignore the fact. Artists aren't even respected these days. Maybe I should go into IT. You won't know until you try. And even if you face challenges, keep going. Thanks a lot, Erica. I appreciate it so much. Don't worry about it. People will always look down on you, but it's important to ignore them. Do what you love. Quiz time! What does to look down on mean? To stare at the floor? To see someone as inferior? To search on the ground? To watch from a higher place? Please pause the video and answer the question. That's right, it's B. To see someone as inferior. To monkey around. Alice and Ben are in class. They're working on a group project. I can't believe we have so much work to do on this project. It's overwhelming. I don't want to do it. I'd rather play with my pencil. You should focus, Ben. It's important to get good grades. Do you want to repeat the class? I really don't care. I'm just going to keep playing with my pencil. It's a lot more fun than some stupid project. You're useless. I can't do all of this by myself. I wish you'd stop monkeying around and help me finish it. Well, okay. I'll color it then. That sounds easy enough. Quiz time! What does to monkey around mean? To play and not be serious? To climb trees? To act like a monkey? To eat bananas? Please pause the video and answer the question. That's right, it's A. To play and not be serious. To leave out. Emily and Jack are at work. They're preparing a presentation. Jack, we have a lot of information to cover in our presentation. Yes, it's going to be quite comprehensive, but I think we can manage it. I hope so. It's crucial we cover all the key points. Absolutely. Clarity is key. We need to make sure our coworkers understand our points. But we can't include everything. We have to leave out some of the less important details, okay? I agree. Let's focus on the essentials. Quiz time! What does to leave out mean? To forget something? To go outside? To abandon? To exclude something? Please pause the video and answer the question. That's right, it's D. To exclude something. To write off. Grace and Liam are at the soccer field. They're discussing their upcoming match. How do you feel about the match, Liam? Well, we've been practicing so much for this game. I hope we win. Me too, Liam. The other team is so good. We have to remember that winning isn't everything. You're right, but everyone just seems to write us off because we're the underdogs. We can do it. They're all underestimating us. Let's show them what we can do on the field. Let's go. It's game time. Quiz time. What does to write off mean? To compose a letter. To dismiss as insignificant. To give up and quit. To create a story. Please pause the video and answer the question. That's right, it's B. To dismiss as insignificant. To push back. Laura is working on a project in her office. Her coworker Jack approaches her. Hey, Laura, how's your day going so far? Living the dream. Another day, another dollar. How about you? Can't complain. So, have you finished preparing for the meeting this afternoon? Not yet, unfortunately. I'm a bit swamped with other tasks right now. I'll get on it soon. No worries. I was thinking we could push back the meeting to give everyone more time to prepare. What do you think? Wow, that sounds like a great idea. I could use the extra time. Quiz time. What does to push back mean? Use physical force, delay or postpone, disagree with someone, work harder. Please pause the video and answer the question. That's right, it's B. Delay or postpone. To cozy up to. Emily and Mark are coworkers. They're in the break room together. Mark, I noticed you've been chatting with the new boss a lot. Yeah, Emily, he's got some interesting ideas. It's always good to exchange ideas with the higher ups. Do you think I might get that promotion that everyone is talking about? I would really love it. Mark, you're a great worker, but to get that promotion, you might need to cozy up to the new boss a bit more. Are you up for it? I'm always up for anything. I'll give him a call right now, just to say hi. Quiz time. What does to cozy up to mean? To make a place more comfortable? To wear warm clothes? To become friendly with someone for personal advantage? To sit next to a fireplace? Please pause the video and answer the question. That's right, it's C. To become friendly with someone for personal advantage. To get over. Emily and Nick are in a coffee shop. They're discussing Emily's recent breakup. I can't believe David and I are not together anymore. I'm heartbroken. Breakups are tough, Emily, but it's part of life, don't you think? Indeed. I know I'll feel better once I start focusing on myself. Absolutely. Heartbreaks are tough, especially when you shared so many moments together. Yeah, we had a lot of great times, but I think it's time I start getting over him. I need to focus on my own happiness now. That's the spirit, Emily. You can do it. Quiz time. What does to get over mean? To quit a habit? To stop trying? To overcome something? To call an ex? Please pause the video and answer the question. That's right, it's C. To overcome something.